Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade Danish. First, we'll create the foundational dough. You'll combine about 250 grams of all-purpose flour with 7 grams of active dry yeast, 30 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, 125 milliliters of milk, and 1 egg. Knead this mixture for approximately 10 minutes until it's smooth and pliable. Then, wrap the dough and chill it for at least 30 minutes, preparing it for the crucial butter incorporation. Next, we tackle the heart of Danish pastry, the butter block and lamination. Take 125 grams of cold butter and shape it into a rectangle, roughly 4 by 6 inches. Roll your chilled dough into a 12 by 6 inch rectangle, then place the butter block in the center and fold the dough over to enclose it completely. Now, perform 3 single folds, chilling the dough for 30 minutes after each fold. This process creates those beautiful, flaky layers. With our perfectly laminated dough, it's time to shape and fill your Danish. Roll the dough out to a consistent thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. You can then cut it into 3-inch squares, triangles, or other creative shapes. For the filling, consider a classic cream cheese mixture, a vibrant fruit preserve, or even a rich almond paste. Place about 1 tablespoon of your chosen filling onto each piece, preparing them for their final form. Finally, we bake and glaze our delicious homemade Danish. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your shaped and filled pastries on a baking sheet and bake them for approximately 15 minutes. They should emerge beautifully golden brown with distinct flaky layers. Once cooled, whisk together powdered sugar and a touch of milk for a simple glaze. Drizzle this over your Danish for that perfect, sweet, and irresistible finish. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.